Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
Friends, how are you today? Our team again uploading new chart analysis of gold. So look. What will we do? Gold with us in next move and understand the previous all analysis you know. And you understand our team. How? Doing this analysis with different type setups and different types. Strategies. So look now. This was our main bullish blue market breakout. And this is our 161 Fibonacci reversal zone. Look today market start but market not yet break. First candle low of previous day. So but retest here. So market expect resistance become support and go up. So currently we're not looking gold in selling position. Currently we're looking in gold buy. And possible market made to her resistance become support. We already informed you when first really face really breakdown, so market make here high higher, high low lower low QM. Then we think about sell. And our first target will be this. And our second target will be this. But currently, gold have not movement and now sell momentum. Have about selling, but now currently is buy. So we check other chart H1. This is our HE chart. In previous day, our team telling you about this area. This is our main QM zone high low. Low QM base demand zone. And this is our really base really single demand zone. Market respect first. Base area and go up. Here we see in H1 time frame drop base drop supply area. So if we apply here Fibonacci high to low, our second target is to 6. One and reversal zone here for 908 49 30 49 45. So this is now if market respect this really base. Really demand zone, and we can see order block area. And now currently, situation is not about selling and not about buy. But we need confirmation now when market make it really base, really and break out this supply area. So then we have buy confirmed. Then we take entry buy from here. And our target will be this area. And our stop loss will be below of this support area. Thanks.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.